So I finally come across a USB-C cord that I can use for everything every day. Usually USB-C cords, since they became mainstream, you have a variety of different ones, like one specifically for power, one specifically for data transfer, one specifically for video, and then, I mean, God forbid, man, all of a sudden you have these things like mixed up and it just becomes a mess. You're like, which one is which? And let's not even talk about the cords that actually come with your devices. Who knows what those are rated at? So I've come across this Zeronetech. Listen to these stats. The Zeronetech USB-C 40 gigabit transfer rate, 4K at 120 USB-C display, and 240 watts of power delivery charging. This is insane. I've decided like this will be my USB-C cord for everything, no matter what. So I'm not getting wires mixed up. I've got my audio interface here. Again, I don't know the rated wire, but I am using one of these Zeronetech USB cables to get that. I'll tell you, sometimes I've come across other USB cables and it'll power it on, but I'll get no audio because of the rating of the cable. It's always unfortunate whenever that happens. I always have to remember what cords go to where. Now, I don't have a 4K display to test this on, but I do have this 2K HDR display monitor, and I'll say this right before we get started, or as we get going. When I originally tested this monitor out, I thought that there were some things that they skipped over. Like, it's just a lot of marketing hoo-ha. And even with the cord they gave me, it didn't unlock the full capability of this monitor. I connect this cable to this monitor, everything was unlocked. I'm like, oh, this monitor is pretty good. And it was just because of the wire itself. Can you believe this monitor didn't even have the correct wire to kind of give you everything to unlock all of its capabilities? That's wild. So check this out. We'll go real briefly. 8K, 40 gigabits, 240 watts. So like I said before, plenty of headroom for everything. We'll go ahead and unplug it here. I've got a separate USB-C cord right here just to power this. That's just the way this monitor works. And I'll go ahead and plug this to my laptop. Now, as I connect it to the laptop, watch this. It's going to say HDR Type-C, 1440 at 120 hertz. I'm getting this automatically just plugging the cable in. Again, the cable that came with it, nothing, right? I was not getting that. HDR activated, Type-C, 2K, we're good to go. Now let me show you on our system display here. We'll go to screen number 3 and we'll see how our HDR is automatically turned on. Now I can bring up a sample. And what I want you to notice is right here in the corner, you can see HDR is activated. Before, I wasn't getting that. And I can even stream with the 4K, even though this is just a 2K monitor. And again, because of the cables, I'm getting the full capabilities of this monitor. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And again, let's back it up. 40 gigabits data transfer. Again, if you want to use this cable for transferring data between devices using this cable, you've got it. 8K at 60 hertz for monitors or even TVs, you're taken care of. 240 watts of power delivery for charging, you got it. And these cables, they come in 1 feet all the way to 6 feet in single or pairs as well. All right, guys, the Zeronetech 40 gigabit, 8K, 60 hertz, 240 watt USB-C, USB 3.2 cables. Really hope this video helped you out. Take care. Enjoy. As always, I'll leave links in the description down below so you can pick up your own. Hey guys, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos. Hit that like button if you like what's going on here, and also ding that notification so you can be notified for future videos as well. All right, I'll see you next one. Take care. Bye.